Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. We have a review of the new Revolution Lock Grip eyeshadow primer. This actually retails for £5.99, so it's a very affordable primer. It is called a shadow primer base and it says it grips your shadow in place all day. We're going to put it to the test, not all day because it's actually 6:30 in the evening, so it's not going to be all day. This is what it looks like. Now you probably would have seen it in my haul. The thing about this is so you twist it and it's clear. Look, there is no product, but it is very shiny looking. So I'm going to see what Revolution's website says to do so that we make sure we follow all the instructions and we get it correct. So it says smooth over the lids as a base prior to eyeshadow application to intensify shadow pigment and guarantee all night wear. Now what I wanted to know is, do you let it dry down? Do you use it straight away? It doesn't say any of that. All it just says is that it's vegan and it's cruelty free. It's got a nourishing clear gel formula containing hyaluronic acid, cherry blossom, cherry and vitamin B. So we're going to put that to the test. To be fair, it has dried down on my hand. I don't know if you can see. You can see where I've put it, but it's matte now. So I'm actually going to do on my good eye, my normal base, I think. And on the eye that I always fuck up on, oh, do I swap that round? Do you know what? On my good eye, I'm going to put the base down, and on my bad eye, the bad eye, what I mean is I always drag eyeshadow too high up. So on my bad eye, I'm just going to use my Beauty Bay base. And we're going to see. Could not be bothered to get back up and go into my drawer and find a Revolution shadow palette. So I picked up my C3PO Colourpop palette because it was just literally right there from a haul. And we're going to use that. And then I think we need to test one more item, which is the Lash and Liner Glue in black. So we'll try that. And I even have some of their eyelashes to try. I forgot what they were called for a minute then. So yeah, we're just going to test some eye stuff from Revolution. So let me put the base on. I have put the Beauty Bay eye base on that eye. Now we're going to put this on. And what I've realised as well is I don't know whether I should pat it or I should just coat my whole eye. So yeah, I think I'm just going to use the brush and just do this. And just like spread the product out. Can you see my eye's got a bit of a gloss to it? That will probably dry down in a second because it did on my hand. So we're just going to leave that like that. I think I'm going to wait for it to dry down, you know. I don't think I'm going to use it wet. And while that's drying, let's take this palette. And I'm going to do an eye look like I usually will do, which means I go for the darkest shade first, which is this brown here, which is called Programming. Let's start off on this eye. And I want to drag it in. See what I say by? I take eyeshadow just too high up here. Okay, that I've done. This eye's still got like a glossy look to it. I wonder if anything will crease. So far, the shadow is definitely more intense over here than it is over here. And I have gotten the same height on both eyes, which is good. I'm really gonna have to build the pigment up on the other side. Okay, I'm really impressed, okay? Really impressed. Let's take a fluffier brush and we're gonna go in with the shade, ooh, Companion. You know what, I'm gonna start over here first and blend. Wow, okay, we're gonna try the other eye now. Same amount of product. I'm gonna do like the tapping motion first and then the blending motion. It's again more pigmented over here, guys. Guys, I don't know what Revolution just created. I'm usually not blown away by certain products like this, but like eye base is eye base to me, but oh my god. And I've already got a backup of my Beauty Bay eye base. Like, I've got two and I'm still using the original because there's a tiny bit of product in there. It's gonna be a waste. I don't feel like I need to add another shadow, so I'm gonna, like a matte, I think we need to go in with a shimmer. Look, it hasn't creased at all. Not at all. It still feels tacky. My eye feels tacky. So many golds that I absolutely love. I don't know which one to go for. Let's go for this one on the end. It's called Etiquette. Are you ready? Oh, okay. I know Colourpop shimmers are usually amazing anyway, but we will see how it does on the other eye. Let's see how it does over here. I think it's doing the same, you know. I feel like it's slightly more intense on the Revolution side. I'm done. I'm done. This eye is so much better than this eye. And I don't like the fact that both of them don't look exactly the same. This one is so much more intense. So much more. I'm shocked. I'm shell shocked. I'm actually shocked. I am... Wow. I feel like I need to buy a backup just in case this sells out. I don't think people realise what this does. Okay, I'm just gonna go and do the rest of my makeup. No, I'm not. We're gonna try the eyeliner out. I just need to get a screenshot of this because I'm so shocked. Next thing we're going to try is this Lash liner glue. This is 2-in-1 glue and ultra black liner pen. It's latex free and water based glue. Let's see what wizardry this works. There we have it. It's nice and black. Pen just looks very ordinary, so it's like you wouldn't realise this is something a bit different. I'm going to get the lashes out. These are called their Wispy Faux Mink Accent Half Lashes. It is sticky. I want to see if it like sticks this to here. Can you see that? It's stuck on there. Oh wow. Well, it does come off though. It's pulled the liner off as well. But it might have more holding on the eye. So I'm going to do like one eye at a time. I'm not going to do the wing just yet because that will take 10 years. You saw that's one eye done. Let's put some of these lashes on. I'm gonna just bend these a bit. Lash band is a bit thick on these, a bit thicker than what I like. Just realised I haven't put mascara on. The inner corner keeps coming up, like here. It's not actually stuck, so I'm going to put a bit more liner down. I actually didn't read how you should use this. Apply a precise line from the inner to the outer corner of the lash line. Wait 20 seconds for the glue to become tacky and apply your lashes. Okay, that's probably why it came off my hand. I didn't wait the 20 seconds. Just going to add a bit more in the corner. Wait 20 seconds. And let's push it in. That is on. That is on. Bending the lashes back, because that's what I usually do. Inner corner is in now. I'm going to go off and do the other eye. I'm not actually going to do a wing, you know. Just going to leave it like this. I haven't worn lashes in a long time and I'm loving it. I'm going to do what I usually do, which is use my curlers to bring the lashes to my lash line. Let's see if it pulls the lashes off. No, they're on. Oh, quite tightly. Didn't get stuck to the curler either, so let's just put some mascara on. Lashes are securely on. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and come back at the end so that we can talk about these products in a bit more detail, but I'm overly impressed with them. Okay, rest of my makeup is on. Haven't done my lips because I'm gonna do a lip swatch video, but oh my god guys, I didn't even tell you the price of the liner. The liner is $4.99. Or was it £6? Oh fuck, hold on guys. $4.99, and then this packet of lashes is £5.99. Well, £6 actually, sorry, not £5.99. I'm not too keen on the liner. Like, it's taken a lot for me to put the inner corner of my lash down. I think I'm gonna have to try it a few more times before I give you like, it's a wow or it's a At the moment for me it's not wowed me that much. Like I'm just, oh, I don't know, I really don't know what I feel about this. Like it's stuck down the middle of my lashes quite well, but it's not stuck the inner corner down quite well, and it took a lot to get to that. So I'm going to try it again and see what I think of it. However, the thing that stole the show was this Revolution primer, this Lock Grip primer. I don't really like the name. I think it should have been called like Lock and Grip or something. Lock Grip, I'm just like, primer is amazing. You can see the difference from this eye to this eye. Like, can you see? You can see there's a big difference between both eyes. And yeah, I love this. I love the applicator. You don't need like a sponge to set it in place or anything, you know, like when you put an eye base on, you'll just use like a brush or something to like maneuver it. This, you just whack 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 and then you're good to go. I love it. I love the packaging. It's got 8 mils in there, so I wonder how long this will last. I do think that I'm going to have to buy a backup of it though, because once people find out how incredible this is, it's going to fucking sell out. That's all I've got to say. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please smash it a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!